This is how you're gonna shampoo with your new products. I have a full tutorial on how to shampoo. This is the 10-second version. First things first, you are not using a whole bunch of shampoo. I'll show you how much to use, but the very first thing you wanna do is shake the bottle. We're doing something called emulsifying. And that means rubbing your hands together until they're completely white. You're putting it into your scalp. And if you have a lot of hair or your hair is super thick, then I would go in and divide your hair, put it in a little clip, and then start in here. That is the place that a lot of people miss because you didn't fully rinse it out and also you didn't fully cleanse back there. Always wash twice, whether that's with a clarifying shampoo and your normal shampoo, whether you only have one shampoo that you're using, an exfoliant and your normal shampoo. Depending on the recommendations I've given you, it's 2 washes, period. Think about it like sweeping and mopping. Or in the makeup world, like makeup remover and face wash. But in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to put conditioner and how much you should be putting.